So in this experiment, I just get a student to grab a tea bag and empty out all the tea bag, all the tea leaves, and all they're left with is tea bag like that. Now the tricky bit here is just to get it to stand straight and then light it up. And so what you're going to see is just like in the simulation on the right, the flame coming from the top of the tea bag, it's going to create a convection current in the room. And once the tea bag gets light enough, and the ashes certainly, they'll get caught up in those air currents and it'll start floating. Okay, so it's not really a hot air balloon. There's not really any hot air being caught in the middle. It's just that this flame here has created a convection current in the room and the thing is light enough to start getting caught up in those currents. And so here you can see this one sits quite nicely. That's the trick, getting it to be nice and flat. And this convection current's been created. And now it's getting pretty light. There's not much left. And up it goes. All right. And it floats into the air, just like you're used to seeing ash float into the air with a fire. All right. Just to give a few more students another go at this. Now, because they couldn't get it to go flat, I was just holding it there for them, just to the very last minute so I don't burn myself. And then that still falls over anyway, but it's still light enough to get caught into the air and float up. Okay, and this person, I sort of helped them do the flat bit. So the first student was the best, the other ones needed a fair bit more help to get it to work. And off we go. Just had to cut out the student faces there, and it's in the air. There we go. All right, so I hope you enjoy